Everyone, I am Gogol Raj. As a pharmacy student at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences in Coimbatore. Today we seen about business model canvas for Lupin Company. Okay, what is business model canvas? Business model canvas is a strategic management tool to quickly and easily define and communicate a business idea or concept. Business model canvas includes many concepts like key activities, key resources, key partnerships, value proposition, channels, revenue streams, etc. Okay, now let's see about Lupin Company. Company name is Lupin. The headquarters is Maharashtra. The founder is Deshbandhu. The company was founded by the year of 1968, 53 years. Website is www.lupin.com. The key peoples of the companies are Vinita D. Gupta, the CEO of the Lupin Company, the Nilesh, the Managing Director of Lupin Company. The revenue of the company is $1,58,585 million. The products produced by the companies is generic drugs, vaccine and contact lenses. The business model canvas for the Lupin companies are the first one is key activities. Key activities are the important things your business needs to do run. It includes in-house R&D manufacturing, testing, marketing, distribution and internal management. And the next one is key resources. Key resources, the things need to deliver your value proposition to your customer segment. It includes generative capabilities, R&D platform, technology, intellectual property and personal and internal integration capacity. And the next one is key partners. Key partners are the relationships that your business has with other business to ensure your business model will be successful. It includes mergers and acquisitions, strategic alliance partnerships, channel partners, corporate social responsibility partnerships. And the next one is value proposition. Value proposition describes the bundle of products and services that create value for a specific customer segments. It includes blockbuster drug offering, use of science-based innovation, broad range of products, international and approach. The next one is customers relationship. Customers relationship is a type of relationship a company establishes with specific customer segments. It includes 24/7 customer service assistance, relationship building through CRM, sales staff, brand awareness and reputation and trust building. The next one is channels. Channels are the ways in which the company communicates its offer to individual customer segments. It includes pharmacies and distribution, website, sales staff, social media. The next one is revenue streams. Revenue streams is the building block representing that cash. It includes sales of products, licensing or patent, R&D, strategic alliance. And the last one is cost structure. Cost structure describes the cost that business accrues through its operations. The first one is include R&D costing, cost of manufacturing, internal management, expenses including marketing, taxes, general administration. So these are the business model canvas for the Lupin Company. Thanking you.